Okay,
Hi.
I'm here with the Meggy who had a viral burger plane. Can you show us how you did it?
Okay, so you get a bun, and then you place it on the ground, and you do this.
Wow! Miss always be positive. Uwu's burger plane is very nice and convenient.
She
Yeah.
made this burger airplane. And
Yeah.
you think it's viral. And what inspired you to make this?
Board car.
Okay, maybe you have been inspired or maybe just created this without knowing it. What would it do?
I actually created this without knowing it.
Yeah, and when did you know this was possible?
So I was just vibing with my friend in a basketball court, and then I accidentally placed the bun down, and then I just accidentally jumped, and then I flew.
Yes.
Fly.
Okay, guys. I believe I want to try it also.
Okay, here. You wanna work hard?
Now the interviewer is flying into space. What could happen?
Hey, cameraman, you wanna try?
Sure. Okay, so we're going to try this, everybody. Disclaimer, kids, don't do this in real life. Don't do this in real life. It won't work. Ah. Oh my gosh. Go! Let me go on. Whoa, I'm flying. Oh, I fell. Okay, that was spectacular. So I have one question for you, Ma'am Meggy. So,
Okay.
please face me.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, can you remove that thingy? I'm the. Okay. Let me talk to her. Okay. Okay, let me talk to her. Okay. So,
Talk in the vocal.
what was the highest point where you reached with the burger? Bro, where? What was the highest point?
1,000.
Oh, wow.
Wow, good.
Wait, where did... Oh, she's...
Until I break the fourth wall, of course.
Reporter Ocean, are you alright? Okay. Do your ending thingy. Do your ending.
We're posting this on YouTube.
Let me do it.
Okay. Thank you everybody. Thank you everybody for watching.
Okay, for the people who are watching this live podcast, we are gonna be posting this on YouTube, and you are free to comment whatever we like. We might make a video about the Q&A of Meggy. Make it about this burger airplane.
Thank you very much, Reporter Ocean and Miss Meggy. So now we'll see you in the next live podcast. In the live podcast. We will now wait. Can I please say my line? Okay, everybody. So that's it for today's live podcast. We will see you in the next live podcast. Disclaimer: we always have good content. So if you want to see some more good content, just subscribe.
And follow, always be positive.
You can just call me positive, but okay.
Okay, bye guys.